Hello, and welcome to this helpful tutorial. Have you ever opened your phone and noticed there's no mobile data icon? Or tried browsing the internet only to find that nothing loads, even though you have a valid SIM card and an active data plan? If so, you're not alone, and thankfully, there are some practical steps you can take to fix this issue. Let's walk through the step-by-step solutions to make your mobile data reappear and work properly again. Step 1. Check airplane mode. Start with the simplest check. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Make sure airplane mode is turned off. If it's on, your phone will block all cellular services, including data. Sometimes, turning airplane mode on and OFF can also refresh your mobile network. Step 2. Restart your phone. A quick restart can fix minor system glitches. Press and hold the power button. Tap Restart or Reboot. Once the phone turns back on, check if your mobile data icon appears again. Step 3. Check SIM card placement. Sometimes, a loose SIM card can cause mobile data issues. Power off your phone. Remove the SIM card tray using a SIM ejector pin. Take out the SIM card and gently reinsert it. Power the phone back on and check if the network and data reappear. Step 4. Select correct SIM for dual SIM phones. If you're using two SIM cards, make sure you're using the correct SIM for data. Go to Settings, tap on Connections, then select SIM Manager and select Mobile Data. Choose the SIM that has data, then enable it as your default for mobile data. Step 5. Enable the right network mode. Incorrect network settings may prevent data from working. Go to Settings, tap on Connections, then click Mobile Network and select Network Mode SIM 1 or SIM 2. Choose 4G, 3G, 2G, or the highest supported network for your carrier. If you're in a weak signal area, try switching to 3G only temporarily. Step 6. Reset APN access point names. APN settings allow your phone to connect to the mobile internet. Go to Settings, tap on Connections, then tap Mobile Network, and tap on Access Point Names. Tap the three dots in the corner and select Reset to default. Then tap Reset. This will restore the recommended APN settings provided by your carrier. And that's it. By following these 6 steps, you should be able to fix the issue of mobile data not appearing or working on your Android phone. It's often something simple, like toggling a setting, resetting the APN, or reinserting your SIM card. We hope this tutorial helped you solve your problem. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.